Do you want to add a video of your product to your GitHub README in just 2 minutes? Here is the fastest way. No fuss, no uploads. Show your GitHub repo like a professional. I'm gonna show you how you can upload your video to GitHub README file. So we can embed your URL to show the video, and here is my repository. So let's click on the issues here, and in the issues we're gonna create a new issue and click on that button. And and here I'm gonna drag my video to description section. Let's first clear the description area, then drag my video here, and here as you can see it's uploading my video to an GitHub server. So let's wait while it's uploading. Now upload is finished. As you can see, here is my videos link. I'm gonna copy that link and go to README. Let's click on edit. So here I'm gonna create an HTML image and source. I'm gonna put the URL here. So let's give it a width, and that's gonna be 250. Just delete the comma here. Yeah, now it's working. So let's save it, commit the changes, and go back to repo page. Yeah, let's scroll down. Just wait a minute. Yeah, here as you can see we have uploaded the video, and if you guys like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and take a look at the other videos. I have great useful videos in my YouTube channel. I also have a Medium and you can follow me there, and this is my GitHub page. If you guys follow me and help me to reach more people, I would appreciate it.